You guys might have been confused in the last video I showed you this. You might have confused what the hell I have done. In Python, you can only use comments like this. For example, if you want to write this is a comment, or if you want to go in the multi-line fashion, this is a comment, and you want the next line to be comment as well. I mean, you can go and press enter and provide hashtag and type whatever you want, but instead of doing that, this is a comment. Press a comma and you can say this is a comment. Do you have any issues? And in the next line I want a comment as well. I'm going to press enter. After providing a comma, I'm going to repeat it. You can see in here there is a comma. Before the comma, prior to the comma, you press enter, it automatically enter this hashtag value, so you don't have to enter it again. You can repeat the process like that. But let's assume that you need to make a comment out of this whole line. It is not possible using Python. It's not easy. You have to individually provide these hashtags. It's not convenient, but there is a simple way. This is not actually a comma, but by typing three colons, not three colons, three commas, you can comment it out. It's not actually comment it out. This is actually called a multi-line comment, multi-line strings, but it serves the purpose of sort of like commenting, because I mean the interpreter reads these files, but it's not going to be executed. So if you want a certain part of your code to be commented out, and if it's not convenient to use these hashtags, you can simply comment it out and it's work without a problem. Let me demonstrate you. I mean, if you want to print something like that, you can use multi-line comments and say something like this. It's going to print out like this. It's the purpose of multi-line, but without print function or anything like that. If you do this, it's not going to execute. I'm going to show you it's not going to execute. That's how it works. This is a simple trick. I mean, it's a convenient trick. If you have a certain particular part of the code to be commented out, you can use these three sets of, I don't remember which it is, but it is called comma, something like this. Okay, apostrophes. I forgot what it is called. Okay, I mean, if you know the name for this type of comma, please comment down below. For some reason I don't remember it now. Okay, if you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.